After ChatGPT and Google Bard, Microsoft also came up with its own product, Microsoft Copilot. What you need to do, you just need to type copilot.microsoft.com. I had it copied and let me hit enter. It will ask for a sign in. Considering earlier I logged in using this particular computer, so it's automatically picked up my ID and logged in. You may get a prompt to log in using a Microsoft ID. Once you do that, and then you will be inside this particular console. Now let me show you certain things which are a bit different than ChatGPT or Google Bard. Here again you will get certain options where it will suggest you that how to start using this particular tool. If I click anywhere like the create, give me a list of the new hobbies I could pursue with limited free time, right? So if I click on that, you can see it's already executed that particular prompt and it's coming up with different options. So from these all ready-made prompts, you will be able to get certain responses very quickly. So that is one part of it. So you can see it's still creating. Now, second thing is you'll be able to see there are three different type of conversation style. First one is creative, second one is the balanced, and third one is precise. Now, if you click on any of the option, color also will get changed. If I click on more creative, the entire color code will be in purple. And if I click on precise, it will be more in the greenish side of the color code, and entire text, everything will get changed there. So this is another new concept Microsoft Copilot came up with. In Google Bard, you have the option that shorter, simpler, or lengthier options, all those things are there. But here, it's more often creative, balance, and precise. Based on the topic you are working on, you can check any of this particular style. Now, if you click on your name, you will not get much option here. It will just show you that using which account you logged in, and that's the only thing available here. However, other few couple of more options we need to see. One is that you can see add an image. So this particular option is still not available in ChatGPT free version, where Copilot is free if you use it from the browser. If you are using inside any of the Microsoft product, that will attract some of the licensing cost. But using Bing Chat, opening this Copilot by just typing copilot.microsoft.com from any of the web browser, you'll be able to use it. Copilot also have a mobile app. I'll create another video detailing the mobile app also. You may consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see similar contents in future. Now let me show you this image option. So if I click here, it will ask that you can take a photo. Using the webcam, you can take a photo, and you can also upload from the device. So let me upload from the device. I have this particular image. It's Microsoft stock price, one screenshot I took. Let me click on this open, and let me also pass one of the prompt here. Please check this image and give me a summary. Now once it's done, then you can see it started analyzing that particular image, and currently it's analyzing. It's also saying that faces may be blurred to protect privacy, but there is no face. It's only a screenshot, so nothing to worry about. One thing to note here, the way it is taking time, it was quite fast in ChatGPT and Google Bard. So you can see it's mentioned that sure, I can do that. Here is a summary of the image you sent. It's a snapshot of Microsoft Corporation stock performance. It also gives certain links related to that, but I don't know how this is related. You may check once you will be able to work on it. Now let me do another thing. If I go to a new chat and more precise, and then I upload the same image and ask the same prompt, let's see what happens. Because last time it was creative mode was selected. Again, it's taking a bit more time compared to ChatGPT or Google Bard. That's one point to note. However, let's wait for the responses to come and see that how it comes up. Now we can see that it came up with bit of more precise details. It's talking about specific price, how it came, and all those details. So there is a bit of a difference currently in the responses what we saw just little bit earlier. Now if I show you in the similar way how Bard responded, it was also similar, but it came up with a more detail because we requested for a detailed thing. However, in ChatGPT it came up with more granular details, but I used the ChatGPT paid version. GPT-4 was the model used, but it was quite better than how we are getting in Copilot and Bard. Now I gave this particular prompt, please check this image and share all possible available details. So let's see how it comes up with, because earlier we asked for only a summary. So it gave a summary, and now let me try with a different prompt that and see how it responds and how this particular result comes here. Now we can see it started getting the responses. Again, it took bit of a time compared to any other models. Now it's coming up with more details. You can see it's now came with a live stock price. It's a selectable chart. You can click anywhere and it will get changed. So this is something which is not available in ChatGPT or Google Bard. When we asked in our moderate balanced way and we changed the prompt and we asked for all possible details, then it gave all those details, and on top of that it gave you that particular chart which is a live chart. It's not a screenshot or not a static image. You can select any of the filter here, year, month, day, 5 years, everything, and you will be getting the live stock price here. So which is phenomenal, and this is one thing I was looking for, because when I was researching this tool, it gave me this particular stock price in this way, and which was not coming in my earlier prompt. So that's why I changed my prompt, and now I can see that's available. Now let me show you another option. There is a mic button here, which means I can give a prompt using this particular mic button also. So let me click on a new topic. It's asking me that to allow my microphone. So let me click on allow. I publish videos in YouTube related to Microsoft Excel. Give me idea of next 10 videos using which I can plan my videos. Now it started generating those ideas. Now let's see. Yeah, now it's coming up with ideas that these are the topics using which I can plan my videos. So you can see now using the microphone also you can give the prompt. So this feature is available now in Google Bard and here in Microsoft Copilot also. So this is all about it, about Microsoft Copilot, what you need to know to get started. It is still free in case you are using from web browser. Now I recorded another video. Currently Google came up with a new LLM model, that is Gemini, and they are claiming that this is the best LLM version available as of date. So please check out this video where I covered Google Gemini, how to use it and how can you test that particular functionality, whatever Google is claiming that is the best one available in the market.